Hi, I'm Max from PML and today I will show you how to make Don Diablo's vocoder. Today's project file is available for you to download also for FL Studio in the description below. So we have our vocal here. Let's add a new MIDI track and let's put some synthesizer like wavetable or Serum or silent, whatever you want. Let's put a square wave on and increase the sustain. Now let's add some unison. Now let's add some MIDI clip and draw some notes. I just wrote the main part of Don Diablo's momentum and here is how it sounds. So now let's move to our vocal, search for Vocoder and apply it maybe just before the final compression. Now let's choose an external carrier, an audio from our new track that we just made. Now let's put our vocoder part just to sends only. Lower the dry wet on the vocoder. Now we can hear this is way too high, so maybe let's put it octave down. Sounds a little bit better, but I can hear that there's too much low end in the vocoder part. So let's put an EQ and cut some of the lows.
Come here, come now, come here, come now, come here, come now, come here, come now, come here, come now.
I just cut some harsh frequencies as well. Now let's tweak some settings on the vocoder itself.
Come here, come now, come here, come now, come here.
I just turned up the attack so the vocoder doesn't appear that quickly. And we can also increase the release so the vocoder stays after the words.
Come here, come now, come here. Come here, come now, come here, come now.
Also try to play with the format knob to get the sound you like. Yeah, and here's how Don Diablo's make his vocoder.
Come here, come now, come here, come now, come here, come now, come here, come now, come here.